Learn Gujarati with funny formal phrases, English too.
Gujarati.
Welcome to the Serious Office Circus. Hey, today you are learning formal Gujarati without falling asleep on a stack of documents. Yes, that is the true miracle. Welcome, brave learner. Today we step into the grand world of policy, law, meetings, and people saying very important things while holding very unimportant biscuits. Your mission is to learn 5 formal expressions in Gujarati and actually enjoy it. First, the phrase, compliance with the requirements takes priority. In Gujarati, that is,
જરૂરિયાતોનું પાલન પ્રાથમિકતા લે છે.
Imagine a manager stopping everyone and saying, no shortcuts, no chaos, no dancing on the printer.
જરૂરિયાતોનું પાલન પ્રાથમિકતા લે છે.
Single quote. Next, balancing of interests becomes,
હિતોના તોલમોલ.
picture 2 lawyers, 2 opinions, and 1 tired scale trying to stay calm. Then, the clarification of the terms is necessary. Becomes,
શબ્દોની સ્પષ્ટતા જરૂરી છે.
because when people argue for 20 minutes about one word, clarity suddenly becomes everybody's hobby. Then we have, the implementation of the measure requires resources. In Gujarati.
આ પગલાંના અમલીકરણ માટે સંસાધનો જરૂરી છે.
In other words, nice plan, but who is paying for it? Finally, the justification for the decision did not materialize. Becomes,
નિર્ણય માટેનું કારણ રજૂ થયું નહીં.
the decision arrived. The explanation took a mysterious vacation. Phrase 1. Rules before rocket speed. Let's start with a phrase that sounds responsible, strict, and slightly allergic to shortcuts. Say it with dignity. English. Compliance with the requirements takes priority. Gujarati.
જરૂરિયાતોનું પાલન પ્રાથમિકતા લે છે.
Break it down a little.
જરૂરિયાત.
Means requirement.
પાલન.
Means compliance, and
પ્રાથમિકતા.
means priority. In this project,
જરૂરિયાતોનું પાલન પ્રાથમિકતા લે છે.
remember, over speed, over panic, and over Steve from accounting trying to just wing it.
જરૂરિયાતોનું પાલન પ્રાથમિકતા લે છે.
Mini dialogue. A. Should we go faster? B. No.
જરૂરિયાતોનું પાલન પ્રાથમિકતા લે છે.
Funny memory trick. Link.
પાલન.
With, follow the plan. If you follow the plan, then
જરૂરિયાતોનું પાલન પ્રાથમિકતા લે છે.
say it once more like a quality inspector with dramatic eyebrows.
જરૂરિયાતોનું પાલન પ્રાથમિકતા લે છે.
Phrase 2. The great balancing act. Now you get a phrase that sounds like law, fairness, and a judge who has definitely had too much tea. English. Balancing of interests. Gujarati.
હિતોના તોલમોલ.
This is a compact but powerful formal phrase.
હિત.
Means interest or benefit, and
તોલમોલ.
is balancing or weighing, together.
હિતોના તોલમોલ.
A fair decision needs.
હિતોના તોલમોલ.
In law.
હિતોના તોલમોલ.
Can be complex. One side wants silence, one side wants music, and the neighborhood dog wants both sides to stop immediately. Mini dialogue. A. How do we decide fairly? B. With.
હિતોના તોલમોલ.
Memory image. Imagine a golden scale wobbling left and right while whispering.
હિતોના તોલમોલ.
Very dramatic, very legal, slightly exhausted. Challenge. Say it slowly, then faster.
હિતોના તોલમોલ.
Again.
હિતોના તોલમોલ.
Phrase 3. Please define your fancy words. This next phrase is for meetings where everyone nods confidently but secretly understands nothing. English. The clarification of the terms is necessary. Gujarati.
શબ્દોની સ્પષ્ટતા જરૂરી છે. શબ્દો.
Are words or terms.
સ્પષ્ટતા.
Is clarification.
જરૂરી છે.
Means is necessary. Before the meeting.
શબ્દોની સ્પષ્ટતા જરૂરી છે.
A teacher says, no, you cannot define everything with hand waving.
શબ્દોની સ્પષ્ટતા જરૂરી છે.
Single quote. Mini dialogue. A. These words are confusing. B.
શબ્દોની સ્પષ્ટતા જરૂરી છે.
Funny image. Two dictionaries are arguing in tiny glasses and one finally shouts.
શબ્દોની સ્પષ્ટતા જરૂરી છે.
Repeat it like a calm professor who knows exactly where the comma belongs.
શબ્દોની સ્પષ્ટતા જરૂરી છે.
Phrase 4. Great idea, but where are the resources? Here comes the phrase every planner fears and every budget officer loves. English. The implementation of the measure requires resources. Gujarati.
આ પગલાંના અમલીકરણ માટે સંસાધનો જરૂરી છે. પગલું
Is measure or step.
અમલીકરણ
Means implementation.
સંસાધનો
Means resources. Without resources, the plan is just a very confident piece of paper. That is why.
આ પગલાંના અમલીકરણ માટે સંસાધનો જરૂરી છે.
Mini dialogue. A. Why can't the policy start? B.
આ પગલાંના અમલીકરણ માટે સંસાધનો જરૂરી છે.
Memory trick. Implementation is the car, and
સંસાધનો
are the fuel. No fuel, no zoom. Imagine a project manager opening an empty supply closet and whispering with tragic elegance.
આ પગલાંના અમલીકરણ માટે સંસાધનો જરૂરી છે.
Say the key word on its own.
અમલીકરણ
And now.
સંસાધનો
Now the full sentence.
આ પગલાંના અમલીકરણ માટે સંસાધનો જરૂરી છે.
Phrase 5. The missing explanation mystery. Our final phrase is formal, useful, and perfect for those moments when a decision appears but the logic stays invisible. English. The justification for the decision did not materialize. Gujarati.
નિર્ણય માટેનું કારણ રજૂ થયું નહીં.
The key word here is
કારણ
meaning reason or justification. Another important word is
નિર્ણય
meaning decision. We waited, but
નિર્ણય માટેનું કારણ રજૂ થયું નહીં.
without explanation, the decision felt unfair. In formal Gujarati, you can point to the problem with
નિર્ણય માટેનું કારણ રજૂ થયું નહીં.
mini dialogue. A. Why did they choose that? B.
કારણ રજૂ થયું નહીં.
Funny image. The decision shows up in a tie, carrying a briefcase. The explanation sends a message saying, sorry, running late forever. Repeat the full phrase once more.
નિર્ણય માટેનું કારણ રજૂ થયું નહીં.
Quick quiz before the coffee break. You are doing great. Now let's see if your brain was listening and not just decorating the walls. How do you say compliance with the requirements takes priority? Answer.
જરૂરિયાતોનું પાલન પ્રાથમિકતા લે છે.
How do you say balancing of interests? Answer.
હિતોના તોલમોલ
How do you say the clarification of the terms is necessary? Answer.
શબ્દોની સ્પષ્ટતા જરૂરી છે.
How do you say the implementation of the measure requires resources? Answer.
આ પગલાંના અમલીકરણ માટે સંસાધનો જરૂરી છે.
How do you say the justification for the decision did not materialize? Answer.
નિર્ણય માટેનું કારણ રજૂ થયું નહીં.
Final review and friendly goodbye. Let's finish strong with one last confident run through the phrases. You have earned your imaginary official stamp. Today you learned 5 formal Gujarati expressions. 1.
જરૂરિયાતોનું પાલન પ્રાથમિકતા લે છે.
2.
હિતોના તોલમોલ
3.
શબ્દોની સ્પષ્ટતા જરૂરી છે.
4.
આ પગલાંના અમલીકરણ માટે સંસાધનો જરૂરી છે.
5.
નિર્ણય માટેનું કારણ રજૂ થયું નહીં.
Not bad at all. You just walked through advanced English to Gujarati formal vocabulary without being defeated by paperwork. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the phrases out loud, and come back again soon. Your Gujarati is growing, one gloriously serious sentence at a time.